Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be taking you through a brief tour inside Pusateri here at Yorkville in Toronto. Here's where the entrance used to be. Entrance has moved to the cafe doors. Here's an outdoor patio that they have. This is the Pusateri's cafe, where the entrance is. Here's the breakfast menu. We're open until 11 a.m. They now have self-checkouts here. There's a cooler full of drinks. Come back and see what they have, as I'm quite thirsty here today.
The top.
There's various kinds of olive oil. Here's different kinds of pasta sauces. Here's the ice cream. Haagen-Dazs is one of my favorites. Here's the dairy and eggs. Various kinds of honey. Here's drizzle honeycomb. Here's the cheeses. Soups. Here's some classic lemonade. Different salads. Chocolate. This is white chocolate with lemon lavender. They've got some macarons. Gourmet cookies from Sullivan and Bleecker Baking Company. This is great for entertaining friends, family, guests, business associates. Some of this stuff will make great gift ideas. Here are the drinks. Let's take a look at what they got. go for one of these. San Pellegrino, Aranciata, orange juice, sparkling orange beverage. And here we go. Just got one of the San Pellegrino Italian sparkling drinks. And so that concludes our brief walking tour of Pusateri's. I really like this place. It's a great place to find all kinds of stuff, high quality items, and high quality service. See you guys in the next one. Take care.